Aloha, we're Homeschooling Paradise. So today we have Elijah and Camila. The kids are a little bit sick, they have a fever, but we're going to be making leaf bread. This is from Gather Round curriculum, and then this one is the Christmas Around the World special unit that I got for Christmas, and then we're studying for Iceland, and then we're going to be making some leaf bread. So this is exciting. The kids love to cook, and then we're just gonna take you along, and this is our Vlogmas for Christmas, and doing some activities for Christmas. So the rest of the time we're just gonna do fast forward so you can see how we make it and then how we have fun. And I would love to know what kind of tradition you have, what kind of cooking you like to do with your kids, and then let's get started. First thing that we did was to mix the topping. It was half a cup of sugar and then 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And then in the mixer we mixed the 4 cups of flour. So all the ingredients that we're using to make this, so we use so far some sugar. I have brown sugar, that's all. And then some cinnamon. And then we're having some flour. And then we're gonna use some baking powder and some milk. And then some butter, salt. And we also have some powdered sugar, and that's it. Then 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. And then we heat up the milk in the saucepan over like medium-high heat. It was 1 cup and 3/4 of milk. Then I removed it from heat, and then we added butter. The butter was 2 tablespoons, and then we mixed it until it was melted. And then Elijah slowly poured the milk into the large bowl that had the dry ingredients in it, and we mixed until the dough was formed. Then we divided the dough into 4 equal sections, and then with each section I separated, I think it was like 8 pieces. Then we rolled them out, and then we just started decorating our little cookies.
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me. Another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade most, but something's missing. I wonder.
And then in oil we fried it, and after that we added the sugar with the cinnamon mix that I had, and that's it. Okay, we finished. It looks beautiful. We still have a lot of dough to make, but I wanted to cook them. The kids are eager, and then we're all gonna try it. So I did put the cinnamon and sugar on top. And then we're gonna try it. So good. So this is the traditional recipe from Iceland. This is during our Christmas unit, Christmas around the world, and then this video it is for our Vlogmas for Christmas. So thank you for watching, and then make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and then give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye bye! Been thinking about you and me.